Hey guys, Anna Banana Girl here. So before I actually start this video, I finally reached 15 subscribers. I'm almost there to my goal, which is 20 subscribers. So keep subscribing and liking, and comment down below. But then anyway, let's get started with the video. So a couple news first. My princess slime dried out. Then I put another slime in here, which dried out. So I got a new slime in here, and you're probably gonna like it. So I'll get it. Here's what it looks like in here. Get it out. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. I can add lotion to it. Smush it down just a second. I finally learned how to do soft serve. OMG, just went pink. Get away the pink! Maybe I looked at... Okay. What? Oh, it's because of my computer. Anyway. Just put it in. And I'll show you when it's fully mixed. So it's finally mixed in. And yeah. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.